All right, here is the study guide for the test that we'll all be taking tomorrow. Well, not all of us, just you seventh graders. So, here's the storm study guide. The major storms we're talking about are drought, flood, hurricane, winter storm, tornado, and thunderstorm. We're going to try to figure out what causes each storm, what type of weather and air masses are needed to be present for these storms to occur, what effect does each storm have on people and the land, and finally, how to stay safe during each storm. Okay, so how does the temperature of an air mass relate to high or low pressure in the air mass? High pressure air mass is usually cool. Low pressure air mass is usually warm. What is a flash flood? It's a flood that happens very quickly. Conditions that are favorable for this to happen, you have to have heavy rain over a long period of time for a flash flood to happen. What conditions are necessary for development of a tornado? It has to be a low pressure system, cold front, pushing warm air front into the atmosphere quickly. That's what a cold front is. The air masses rotate as they move upward. What part of the tornado causes the most damage to people and lands? The high winds, of course. What clouds are present if a tornado appears? Cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus clouds must be present for a tornado to appear. How do hurricanes form? Air masses begin to rotate quickly over the ocean. Why do hurricanes get stronger or weaker? So, using adjectives we just learned in the last test, maritime or continental, air masses that will help you. Hurricanes that come across the Atlantic from Africa, and when they are in maritime tropical areas, they're going to get stronger. If they're in any type of continental area, they're going to get weaker. But mostly, and extremely weaker if it ever got to a polar. Continental polar would weaken the storm greatly. So that's how it happens. Anytime the storm gets energy from the water, more energy than it gets from the land, it becomes stronger. How do drought conditions affect plants? Less water can damage or kill plants. Makes sense. How does a drought have impact on the probability of wildfires happening? If plants are dried out and dead, they can catch on fire very, very easily. Nothing to prevent it from catching on fire. Okay. That ends this review.